on a train of my dream.
There's a train at the platform, midnight glow, steel heart on my soul, and low. Tickets stand with every scar, every mile says who you are. I packed my doubts in an old suitcase, left my fear in a yesterday place. Windows shake, the whistle screams, this ride is mine, it's bound for dreams. I've been broken, I've been bad, paid my dues, every cent, but I won't let the past decide where this engine takes my life. I'm on a train of my dream, no need to look back, just forward. I smile at the road behind, yeah, tell me how to be stronger. I'm on a train of my dream, let the night rush by in pieces. No more tears for those who hurt me, use me, try to defeat me. Some waved goodbye, some slammed the door, some took my trust, wanted more. They traded hearts like cheap disguise, called it love but sold me lies. I won't carry their weight anymore, these rails don't bend for what came before. Every station I outgrew was just a step towards something true. I forgive but I don't stay in the shadows of yesterday. I learned the lesson, kept the flame, but I won't replay their game. I'm on a train of my dream, no need to look back, just forward. I smile at the road behind, yeah, tell me how to be stronger. I'm on a train of my dream, windows open, heart is breathing. No more worry for those who hurt me, broke me, never believed in me. Yeah, the tracks don't lie, they only go one way. Every sunrise says you made it through another day. Let them talk, let them doubt. I found my voice, I found my route. What they took, I rebuilt with faith, with fire, with grit. I'm on a train of my dream. I'm on a train of my dream. Hands off the brakes, full speed ahead. I smile back at the past, thinking kindly, then I let it rest. I'm on a train of my dream, no fear riding shotgun with me. I don't worry about those who hurt me, they're just part of my history. They're just part of my history. The whistle fades into the sky, new horizons passing by. No looking back, no regrets, just rails, rhythm, and what's next.